How SUVs are killing us. The phrase SUVs are killing us can be interpreted in different ways, and discussions around it often revolve around environmental, safety, and urban planning concerns. Here are some perspectives on how SUVs are perceived to have negative impacts. Environmental impact. Fuel efficiency. Many SUVs have lower fuel efficiency compared to smaller, more aerodynamic vehicles. This can contribute to increased fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, which are associated with climate change. Carbon footprint. The manufacturing process of larger vehicles, including SUVs, tends to have a higher carbon footprint compared to smaller cars. This is due to the use of more materials and energy in production. Safety concerns. Pedestrian safety. SUVs are often taller and heavier than sedans, and their design can pose a greater risk to pedestrians in the event of a collision. The higher front profile of SUVs can make them more likely to cause serious injuries in pedestrian accidents. Rollover risk. SUVs may have a higher risk of rollovers compared to smaller vehicles, especially in certain driving conditions. This risk is influenced by factors such as the vehicle's center of gravity, urban planning and traffic safety, urban congestion. The increasing popularity of SUVs contributes to urban congestion, especially in areas with limited parking and narrower streets. This can impact traffic flow and city planning. Parking challenges. The larger size of SUVs can create challenges in parking spaces, leading to competition for parking spots and potentially making it more difficult to find suitable parking. Resource consumption. Raw material use. The production of larger vehicles like SUVs requires more raw materials, contributing to resource consumption and environmental impact. Infrastructure strain. The increasing prevalence of SUVs can contribute to strain on road infrastructure, leading to the need for larger roads and parking facilities. It's important to note that the impact of SUVs is a complex and multifaceted issue, and there are ongoing discussions about how to address the environmental and safety concerns associated with their popularity. Various stakeholders, including manufacturers, policymakers, and consumers, play roles in shaping the future of automotive choices and addressing the potential negative consequences of SUV usage.